Emily, and this is my channel, Emily Exploring Earth. And since Earth is kind of in shutdown, we're just going to be exploring my backyard, maybe. So we got settled in. We moved from San Diego 2 weeks ago, so we're settled in, kind of. I've been having fun decorating and organizing, and since we're gonna be here for hopefully a while, I'm gonna make it as much as a stay home. That doesn't make sense. Like a final home, pretty much, because I think, you know, we're gonna be here for a while. All right, so I didn't know exactly where these vlogs should go, but since I'm not really doing much of anything now, I've been kind of biding my time and filling my days with home projects or outside projects. So like inside the bathroom, I got a new shower curtain, I got a bath rug, all that good stuff. I've been decorating the kitchen area. We've been getting plants. We got an indoor grow room. I have strawberries and like blueberries and stuff. So the inside is coming along. Now it's the outside. So I just went to Lowe's and picked up a rake because we don't have anything. I bought a shovel, I bought some stuff. So I'm gonna garden. That is what I'm going to do, is garden. You see, all of this is just so overgrown. I do really like these purple flowers, but as you can see, it's just super overgrown. So, yeah, I'm going to rake all of this. There is a walkway here that you can't really see. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Enjoy. So I'm actually really excited to like do all of this stuff because ever since I was a little girl, my dad's been using me and my sisters for child labor. So I have a lot of experience with remodeling and renovating and landscaping. Pretty much been doing it ever since I could hand somebody a nail or a screw. So, and this is like untapped potential, man. Okay, so like back here, we have all of this like space. So the layout here, we have the main house, and then he also owns these duplexes, which we're trying to get rented out. And so I really want to make this area really nice looking. And there's like planters here, and there's already some really good plants, like this guy. Have you seen just freaking how tall this thing is? Like, it's like as tall as a 3-year-old. It is actually super nice today. It did rain, and then it was super nice, and then it rained again, and now it's super nice. So I'm gonna take advantage and do some gardening. Okay, so I've been having a problem. I don't want to get rid of them. They're so pretty. I'm like, oh, I'll just leave that one. No, but I gotta get rid of it. I don't know, I'm somebody who really enjoys nature and like having plants grow where they want. But then on the other hand, it's like I want it to be, you know, pruned and landscaped. I don't know, I'm having a problem. So much so that I'm trying to save as much as possible. So like, because I love these plants. So I dug up a few, put them in this box with their own soil. Maybe they'll take, I don't know. I'm new to this whole green thumb thing, so yeah. And then I'm even trying, like maybe in a mason jar, these guys, because they're just so pretty. I don't know if it's gonna work. It's coming along. Got my piles and all that good stuff. I was wondering, why the heck is there a water hose here? Like, why? I'll tell you why. Because there is actually a water hookup right there. Can you see that? But it is so overgrown. Probably doesn't work. That's where my clippers come in. So. I am loving having so much daylight. It's like 7 p.m. Like, that's what's up. A lot done outside, but I could do so much more. And I actually, like, I was out there for a really long time. It's like 7:30 now. Because each time I was like, okay, I'm wrapping up, I'll clean up and do all that kind of stuff. I was like, what about that weed? What about that one? I could do one more. And I always tend to do that when I'm like doing projects or anything. I'm just like, one more thing. And then it's like 3 hours later. But I did call Anthony and I was like, hey, you wanna see what I did? Kind of as a way to get me to stop. The weather for this week in Washington is gonna be really good for outside work. So I'm looking forward to that. Right now, though, I am finishing up, and if you hear like a blowing sound, it's actually our indoor grow tent. So, but anyways, I pulled some of those like blue flowers, and some of them actually came with the bulb. Like some of them actually have the bulb when I pulled them up, so I'm trying to maybe replant them. I'm gonna see if they take, because those, I mean, they are really pretty, and I hate just ripping them out from where they were and not giving them a new home, or at least some of them, so. Okay, so before I end this vlog, I do want to show you guys the tent. We just turned off the light, but I want to show you like the inside. So you can kind of see in there. I'm gonna let them sleep. But yeah, so Anthony got this. And I have some strawberries in there. He has blueberries. What else do we have? He has like chocolate mint. He has like another type of mint. He has lemongrass or lemon thyme. So that's all pretty exciting. They're doing really good. And maybe in one of my next videos, I'll show you my strawberries. They're like this big and green. Oh, we also have honeysuckle in there. So that's actually what these are for. These are gonna be for my honeysuckle plants, and I'm gonna put them outside once they get a little bit bigger, and hopefully they'll start growing on that fence outside. So excited for that. Okay, so that's pretty much the update so far. Is house projects. Actually, the upstairs bathroom, one of the tiles popped off. And it wasn't even tile, it was just plastic tiles that they probably installed in the 70s. So I'm gonna be popping all of them off and then just plastering and painting in there for like a nice remodel, and then we'll get the shower retiled at some point. But yeah, so that might be my next video, is kind of like the renovation for that bathroom. And then once I do get a lot of these house projects and outside done, I do want to do a house tour because, I mean, you could see maybe a sneak peek. I love my kitchen. I love my kitchen. And I love this house. So once I get it decorated and the other little house projects done, I'll do a house tour.